our blue crab. We are rehabilitating his claws because he doesn't have any pictures. And today we are going to test out our camera by feeding him and see how it works underwater. This is Scott Jackson.
Hi.
He's our hand.